Logitech MX Master 3. This mouse will help make your workflow more seamless, whether it is for several browser tabs and applications open or for photo editing on Photoshop and Lightroom. This pricey mouse also features the 7 buttons and has a 70-day battery life at full charge. Connectivity to 3 devices, MagSpeed Smartshift wheel and Darkfield tracking. In addition, this MX Master 3 is 5 times more precise than your typical mouse. Corsair Harpoon RGB Wireless. This wireless mouse is probably one of the best gaming mouse in the market nowadays. It has a good accuracy and responsiveness as a gaming mouse. Corsair Harpoon RGB Wireless also features low-latency Bluetooth, a 10,000 dpi optical sensor, and 6 highly customizable buttons. In addition, it also has 60 hours of battery life on a single charge. Omron switch that will last you a lifetime with about 50 million clicks and an ergonomic design. Apple Magic Mouse 2. This wireless mouse is clean, buttonless, and has a multi-touch design. It also has multi-touch feature that lets you perform trackpad-like functions like sweeping and scrolling. This mouse is thin and light like Apple's MacBooks, so this affordable mouse is perfect for those with high mobility. Microsoft Bluetooth Mobile Mouse 3600. This mouse is a perfect wireless mouse for your Windows laptop trackpad, especially if you are looking for a mouse on a budget. This mobile 3600 also has 12 months of battery life. It is also very comfortable to use thanks to its ergonomic and ambidextrous design. This mouse also comes with Bluetooth technology feature, so you can use it on virtually any surface. And it also features a 4-way scroll wheel for effortless navigate, not just up and down, but also left and right as well. This small mouse can fit your small bag, and it also comes in blue and red color option. Logitech Wireless Trackball M570. This mouse runs on a 1 AA instead of a rechargeable battery, but it is quite a good deal, especially when it comes to its affordable price. It has ergonomic shape and design which are specially designed for users who are suffering wrist discomfort or worse, carpal tunnel syndrome. This wireless mouse also provides more reliable connections and up to 18 months of battery life.